In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can investigate tadpole pens here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, we're going to go ahead and use the life pod as a starting point right here. So start off with the life pod. Now, there is one prerequisite before we do this, though. You do need to make sure that you have completed black box zip. We have a full guide breaking that down. I recommend checking out that video first. So make sure, of course, that you have completed black box zip. Just search up black box zip just pause and that video will pop up. Now, to get this location, what you need to do is essentially just head east from the life pod itself, just about east. So if you are looking at the life pod, angle yourself east, kind of in between east and 75, as well as east and 105. Just make your way over this way towards where this angel comb marker currently is for me. And you need to keep heading in this direction past this wreckage over here into the heat zone. You're going to want to get to the hottest area of the heat zone. It's going to be about 85 without getting past that. And you need to keep heading straight east. You're going to get to a point where it starts to drop off a little bit. That is okay. You need to go straight down here, following this path once again. And once you follow this path, and once again, you could just go ahead and look for this thing and follow it down. You're going to see this little base over here. Now, be careful. There is a Leviathan somewhere in this area. I think he's above me right now. So just keep that in mind. As long as you kind of stay focused on this, he should leave you alone. But you're going to see tadpole pens right here. I'll pause so you guys can see my coordinates down in the bottom right. From here, simply go ahead and get out of your vehicle. Make your way into the base itself. Once you're in here, what you need to do is make your way through this area, and what you're looking for is a little ladder that goes up. You're going to have to scan yourself first, so hit use, and this is where that black box zip is going to be accepted. Once that is accepted, make your way up that ladder. There's going to be air in this section, so if you're running out of air, don't worry. And you got to interact with this guy right here. Now, what's really cool about this area is you can actually see the Leviathan pass through here a lot, and it is pretty sick. So that is something to keep in mind. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace. Oh, look, there he is right there. Speaking of...